Hello, I'm Miss Cooper,
And I'm Miss Cannon.
and this is first grade math, and today we will be teaching probability.
The definition of probability is the chance that something will happen.
Today's lesson we'll be teaching on is the coin toss. As you can see, on one side of our coin we have heads, and on the other side of our coin we have 8 tails. Our first problem is to find all possible outcomes. As I said once before, on one side of our coin we have a heads, so I'm going to put an H for heads, and on the other side of our coin we have 8 tails, so I'll put a T for tails. And these are all of our possible outcomes.
The next problem we have is to find the probability of showing heads. So since our coin has 2 sides, we're going to write 2 at the bottom. And since we're finding the probability of heads, which is 1. So it's 1 out of 2.
Just like how Ms. Cannon did, we're going to do the same thing, but we are going to find the probability of showing tails. And as you can see, our coin has how many sides? 2. And how many of those are tails out of these 2? 1. So put the 1 on the top, and the probability of showing heads is 1/2.
The last problem we have is finding the probability of showing neither heads or tails. So since you have nothing to show for, the answer would be 0.
And that is probability. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to conduct a live experiment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hand our fair coin over to Ms. Cannon. And she's going to go ahead and flip. Our first flip is a heads. So go ahead and flip again. Our second flip is a heads again. And our third flip is a heads.
Oops.
All right, so now let's find the probability. So how many flips did we have? 3. So at the bottom, we would write. All right, and what was the probability of Ms. Cannon flipping a heads? So our probability was 3/3, which can be reduced to 1. All right, and that's probability.